Hello, let me show you how to make a PayPal button to sell a download. Before we start, you should have your download stored on a file sharing site, like Mediafire, Dropbox, or on Google Cloud. First, log into your PayPal account. Select Pay, and Get Paid. Then select PayPal buttons. Choose the Buy Now button. Enter the name of your download and choose what currency you want to be paid in, such as British pounds or US dollars. Ignore Section 2 and go to Section 3, tick the box. Take customers to this URL when they finish checkout. And paste in the link code from your file storage site. Now click the Create Code button. You will see the HTML code. Ignore this and click the Email button. Copy the email code and go to your website. I am using a Wix website for this demonstration. On your website, select Add a button from the site menu. Select the Add link on the button. Then select Web address. Now paste your PayPal code into this section. And click Save. Save changes on your website editor. Your button is now working. When clicked, it will take payment and release the download. Remember, you can't pay yourself on PayPal, so you will need a friend to do a test purchase for you. After payment is made, your file is released to the buyer like this. All they have to do is click OK, and it will download to their device. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was of some help.